In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Captions app eye contact on mobile. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Now, in the search bar, type Captions and tap on it when it appears. Then, tap Install to download the app. While it's installing, you can swipe through the preview images to explore the app's features, including eye contact adjustment. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Now, tap on Sign in with Google to create an account. Then, tap Continue. Choose the Google account you want to use or tap Use another account if needed. Then tap Continue again. Once your account is created, you'll see the main screen. Tap on Get Started to begin using the app. Next, tap on Create to start a new project. Now, upload the video you want to edit. Then tap Proceed with English as the language setting. You'll see the app starts transcribing your video. Wait for this complete. Once the transcription is done, swipe through the menu at the bottom and tap on eye contact. Now the app will start rendering the eye contact adjustment. Wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, review your video to check the eye contact effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.